Okay, so we are starting this revision of this chapter, data handling. So do you know what is the data? What is the data?
Ma'am, data is a collection of ma'am. It can
Data is a
be
collection of data, a collection of information.
Yes,
yes, ma'am.
collection of
Ma'am, it can
information.
be related to any topic.
Yeah,
Any
ma'am.
topic. Yes, it can be word, it can be number, it can be observation, it can be temperature, it can be marks, anything. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now data are of two type, qualitative and quantitative. See, just simply to learn what is the data, just see this picture. Here one dog is given. Okay. So the data is it is having he is having 4 legs, he is having 2 brothers, his weight is 25.5. Okay, he is 5'6" tall. So these are, when we are talking about the information about the dog, so all these will show the data. Okay, the data related to the dog. Okay, now see wait. So how to represent data?
Ma'am, in a bar graph or pictograph or tally marks.
Yeah,
Ma'am, it can also be in a
that is the graphical method. That is the graphical method. The simplest method is the tabular form.
Tabular form.
Use data in a tabular form. You might have seen your ma'am was taking attendance in your class. When she took the attendance, she register or she is having a register. Okay,
Yeah,
in
ma'am.
that your number was written in a table form, right? So that is the your name is the data for ma'am. Your name is the data for the for collecting attendance. Okay, so your it may be of any type, like a temperature, students marks, student name. Okay, now we will see how to handle data. Okay, how to handle data. So data can be handled in many ways, or and handling these types of data is called data handling. Handling means organizing or representing data to get something from it is called data handling. Okay, now we will see how to handle data. Okay, so this is the tabular form of representation of any data. See, look at the screen. In one side marks has been given. Okay, in the other side number of students who are getting the corresponding marks has been listed out. Okay, so this is the tabular form of representation of number of students and their corresponding marks. Okay, now see the another. Yes, anybody is having doubt?
No, ma'am, we're not having.
Okay, now see the temperature data. Okay, in one side, in one column, name of city has been listed out. Okay, and correspondingly in the second and third column, its maximum and minimum temperature has been given. Okay, so this is representing a temperature data. This table is representing temperature data of different cities. Okay, minimum temperature and maximum temperature. Okay, so this is the representation of any data in tabular form. Correct? Now see, representation value. Now you have represented data in tabular form. Now how you will find the value, representative value that will represent the data. Okay, so that representative value is called the central tendency of data. That representative value will called as a central tendency of that data, or central tendency can be central tendency is of 3 type. Mean, median and mode. Okay,
Yeah, ma'am, mean, median, and mode.
but
Like
that is mean of data, median of data and mode of data, they all shows the central tendency of. Why it is central tendency? because it give the central value or mean value or the middle value. Okay, so that's why we call them as a central tendency. Okay, now we will see them one by one. What is the mean, how to find out the mean value, what is the median, how to find out its value, what is the mode, and what is the difference between all these three central tendencies.
Mean means sum of observations by total number of observations.
Yeah, we will see one by one. What is the mean? Mean is the sum of observation divided by total number of observation. Median is
Ascending, we should arrange in ascending order and we should take
one by one.
middle number. Ma'am, can I, ma'am, Ritvik?
Ritvik, tell me.
Ma'am, first we should arrange in a descending or ascending order, and we
Okay.
should find the middle number. If it is a even, if it is even times, so we have to round up the two numbers and do the mean value.
Okay. And it is, if it is odd type?
It is odd type, we can select the middle one.
Okay. Middle one.
Yeah. Like
Okay.
when we arrange into ascending or a descending order.
Okay. And mode? What do you mean
And
by
mode
a
is
mode?
the most frequently, like it occurs many times.
Most frequently occurring value. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will see them one by one in detail. These this was the brief introduction. Now tell me, what do you mean by a arithmetic mean? See, we will see it one by example. Wait. Yeah. So arithmetic mean is the mean or average value of observation. How to find this arithmetic mean? First, do the sum of all the observation and divide it by number of observation. Okay, let's see example. Okay, I'm giving you an example. This one, score of 8 student in science is given. Find the average score of the student. Yeah, do it.
We have to do 25 plus 28.
Yeah. You do it. Find out the arithmetic mean and type your answer in chat box. Find out the mean of these numbers: 25, 28, 23, 29, 35, 42, 48.
Then find the mean.
Mean, yes, mean.
Okay.
Sum of observation divided by number of observation.
Ma'am, 25. Okay.
This is the answer. Anyone is getting?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I'm
one
getting it, ma'am, but I'm typing. I'm not.
Okay.
Yes. Ma'am.
Ma'am, I got it.
Yes, Sriva, correct.
ma'am,
Only
is the answer 31.75?
yes. Type your answer in chat box. Mahavir,
Ma'am,
correct.
ma'am, but you already sent it to everyone.
Still, I want to check that you are getting the same answer. How many of you are doing?
Ma'am, I got the same answer.
Okay. Ahana, your answer is wrong. Ahana, please check it.
Ma'am, I got the same answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Very good. Ahana, Where you did mistake?
I think my addition went wrong.
Okay. You check your addition. Okay. Now next we are going to the next question. Okay, this is quite simple. This is simple. Wait. Wait. Okay. Now, can you find the mean of your sleeping hour during 1 week? How many hours you sleep in a day? Everybody will get different answer, right? So let's do this question. The mean of your sleeping hour. How many hours you sleep? Count the afternoon hour.
The average of 1 week, right?
Yes, average of 1 week. Means divide by 7. 7 or 8?
Yes.
7.
Ma'am, always get different answers, ma'am.
Ma'am, 7, ma'am.
So I will see who is having the more value. Who is sleeping most? I will see.
Ma'am, like daily I kept an average, ma'am. Ma'am, for daily I kept an average of 10, like 10 hours of sleep.
Okay. So it means if daily you are
10 hours.
sleeping 10 hours, 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10 into 7 divided by 7. You will get?
Ma'am, it will be 70 divided by 7, ma'am.
Yes.
7
Got
hours.
mean
7
as
hours.
9, ma'am. Ma'am, I got my mean as 9.
Very good, very good. So what should be
Ma'am, I
your
sleep 10 hours.
I
average?
got my mean as 8.
Okay. So 8 is
Ma'am, I got 10, ma'am.
yeah. 10 is high. 10
Ma'am,
is
I
little
got
bit high.
7, ma'am.
7 is very good. Actually 7 is perfect. 7 hour is perfect for getting sleep in your age.
Average is 7 hours is perfect. Right?
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Average.
ma'am, I sleep for 8 hours, ma'am.
8 hours. Okay. But 8 hours is still okay. But 9 is 10 is high. Okay.
Ma'am, usually like during weekends, like I
Ma'am,
sleep
on
late.
Sunday I sleep at 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock. Okay. So that's why I'm asking about the average sleep.
We are not asking when you sleep.
I'm asking average sleep. Okay. You do it. Okay. Next, we will see what is a range. What is a range?
Largest number of the value by the
Smallest number of the
Highest value divided by lowest
Ma'am,
value.
difference
Okay.
between highest
Not
and lowest.
divided
number.
by
Divide by minus.
Wait.
Yeah, difference.
Wait.
You have to find the difference.
You all have to be in mute. Please talk one by one. Okay. Yeah. Raise your hand. Shiva Pranav. Harini, tell me.
Ma'am, the difference between the largest number and the smallest number is called range.
Is the range. Okay. If I ask you what is the range of your sleeping hour, then?
Ma'am, the largest and
Ritvik was telling us that he sleep at 12 o'clock in the Sunday.
I'm not I, ma'am. Pranav.
Okay. Pranav was
Ma'am,
telling.
only Sunday, ma'am.
Okay, on Sunday. So if we assume that he sleep 5 hour in a Sunday, so the smallest hour is 5 and the longest hour maybe he sleeps on Monday for 8 hour, okay, or 10 hour. So the largest hour is 10, smallest is 5, so 10 minus 5 will represent the range of sleep. Okay, largest minus smallest.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I thought you was telling Saturday, ma'am, because when you will sleep Sunday.
Okay. No problem. Okay, we will take another example. Okay, leave that example. So these are the data observation. Okay, age of the students 13, 14, 15, like this. Okay, so what will be the range of age? So
Highest
range
number
will
is
be
16 and the lowest number is 13. So 16 minus 13 is
3. It would be 3. Highest number is 16 minus lowest 13. It would be 3. Okay, now we will do this question. Systematically, you write down this one and give me Tell me the answer one by one or type in the chat box. You start it. The age in the year of 10 teacher of a school, age of a teacher, 10 teacher has been given. What is the age of the oldest teacher and that of the youngest teacher? Okay. So first arrange. Is there any need of arrangement?
No, ma'am. I got the answer. Can I tell?
Yes. Yes. You type in chat box.
Oldest.
Type in chat box. Don't disturb the other. Let them to do their work. You type in chat box. Oldest is yes.
Don't reveal, ma'am. Don't reveal.
Okay. Ahana correct. Ritvik correct. Harini correct. Ritvik Reddy correct. Ritvik Reddy gave all answer right. Tell me, what is the age of oldest? Okay. Harini correct. I think first and second are.
Ma'am, I have last one, ma'am.
Yes. It will take time in the last one. Last one is taking time. Yes, correct. Ahana, correct. Range is correct. Range is correct for everyone. First question is almost correct. You all have given correct answer. Now tell me the answer of third. What is the mean age of these teachers? Yes, correct. Ahana is the first who answered this third part. Do it fast.
Ma'am, I sent my answer.
I think this is not correct.
Ma'am, who's?
Harini is not correct. Ahana, mean is not correct. Please check it once.
Ma'am, could you check the answer once again?
Yeah. I'm doing. I also don't know. I'm doing it. Yes, correct. It is correct.
Ma'am, whose is correct?
Can you check it?
Harini is correct. Ritvik is correct. Okay. The third answer is correct.
Ma'am, means I have gave all correct answers, right?
Who are you? Pranav. Ritvik. Ritvik, yes. Ritvik, all answer are correct. Ritvik's all answer are correct. Yes, correct. So should I reveal the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So age of the oldest teacher is 54.
Ma'am, 50, 54.
54.
Ma'am, youngest teacher is 23.
26.
23.
23. Oh, sorry, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
23 is there. What is the range of ages of teacher? Range is
23. Youngest 23.
oldest minus youngest. 54 minus 23.
Yes, ma'am.
That is
Mummy, daddy.
Ma'am, that is 20,
21.
21.
Okay. What is the mean of these teachers? That would be 35. The sum is
Ma'am,
350.
how it is 21, ma'am? It's 31, right?
Okay, do it. 54.
Ma'am, 31, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Minus
Yeah, ma'am, not
31
21,
answer is
minus
31.
21.
Ma'am,
Yeah, ma'am,
31.
31,
minus
ma'am.
20, ma'am, it's 54 minus 23, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
it is
Okay, ma'am, then do it 31. Yeah, ma'am, I
31.
thought 30.
Okay, all of you.
31.
Okay, okay. Those who have done mistake, please check it and correct it. Okay. Now next, do the next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, if number of observation are more, then what you will do? Okay, it will be quite difficult to to add them. Okay, so first arrange them in a tabular form. Organize the following marks in a class assessment in a tabular form, and which number is the highest, which is the lowest, what is the range of data, find the arithmetic mean. This you can do it. I think it is a similar, it is same like as previous one, right?
Yeah, maximum answers, ma'am. See it.
Yes.
Still, I have one only.
Range is 8 correct.
Ma'am, keep that, ma'am. We are doing it.
Okay, okay, do this. Goit, I'm not getting your answer.
No, ma'am, I'm actually thinking and calculating it in my mind, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So do it fast. Shiv Pranav. Okay. Correct. It is similar like previous question. Shiv Pranav, correct. Ritvik, correct. Mean would be
Ma'am, could you go back?
go back. Where?
Ma'am, like this question, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, do it fast. We have to.
Ma'am, it's asking which number is the highest. Does it mean that which number has repeated the highest or which number's value is highest?
No. Which number is highest? Which value is highest?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
In this data, which number is
The
highest and lowest?
repeated is highest is not a mean. The repeated highest is the
Ma'am, mode which there he's asking.
mode. The repeated highest is the mode. Okay. Okay, let you do it yourself because it is the same as the previous one. Okay, let's do next
Ma'am, I
question.
send the answer.
Yeah. This question is quite tricky. Yeah, and there are few things to understand. Please start this question. Start solving this question. Player A, player B, player C. Okay, and their score in game 1, 2, 3, 4 has been given. You have to find the mean to determine A's average number of points scored, B's average number of points scored, and C's average number of points scored. Okay, find the average of all persons. Okay, now it is asked that for calculating the average of B. Okay, you do it. This is quite tricky. Shiv Pranav. Okay. Let me to check answer.
Ma'am, can you show the question?
Okay, okay. Yeah, correct. Shiv Pranav, correct. Harini, correct.
Is my correct, ma'am?
Yes, yes. Ritvik, Harini, Shiv Pranav, you are correct. Age average, B's average. Do it fast.
Ma'am, I gave you all answers.
Who are you?
Ma'am, Shiva Pranav.
Shiva Pranav, I got, yeah. Let me check. 12 point.
Ma'am, I think I should do one question still.
Yes. Who is the best performer? 4.
Ma'am, I gave you all answers.
Okay. Let me to check. Who is the best performer? Yes, 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 yes. Harini. Harini, you are absolutely correct.
Thank you, ma'am.
Shiva Pranav. Correct. Who is the best performer?
Ma'am, I gave you.
Yeah. Whose mean is highest?
Yes, ma'am. B is highest.
Yes. B is highest or A is highest?
Ma'am, A is highest, ma'am.
Ma'am, A is highest.
Ma'am,
A
Shiva
is
Pranav
highest.
B is
is highest.
highest.
You check
Ma'am,
it.
but Rohit is saying B.
For A, you are getting 12.5. For B,
Ma'am, I gave you all answers. Are my correct? Ma'am, it was A1 12.5.
Kohit, check your answer. For B, the
Ma'am,
mean.
are my correct all
For B,
answers?
you're getting 9.
Yeah. B is 9 or
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
6 plus 4, 10, plus 8, 18,
Ma'am, I got
18. Oh, right. I have to do by 4. Sorry.
yeah, ma'am, it's wrong.
now you tell me. Okay. So for first, the answer is, I'm revealing the answer,
12.5.
12.5. Okay. First question, that answer is 12.5. For the second one, see, to find the mean of point per game for C. For C, she look here. C did not play this game. The game 3 was not played by C. Okay. So we will not count this
Ma'am, I
game
sent
3.
it all answers.
We will not count this game 3. So for calculating the average for C, just take 8 plus 11 plus 13 divided by, she played, he played only 3 games. So divided
ma'am.
by 3. Okay. And C, B played all the games, but he is getting 0. We will not care what is the score or what is the marks. Even if he is getting 0, it means he has played that game. Okay, so count that game and divide it by 4. While calculating for B, take 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 divided by 4. Okay, don't do this silly mistake. The main important point which should be noted is that here for calculating the average for C, you have to divide by total number of game by 3. Okay, who is the best performer?
Ma'am, A.
Ma'am, A.
Ma'am,
Best,
A.
best performer is A, since A is
Got the highest mean.
Ma'am,
highest
12.5.
average. Okay,
Highest.
A is highest average score. A's score is highest average. That's
Yes,
why A
ma'am.
is the best performer. Okay. Okay. Now we will see mode. The second type of central tendency is mode. Okay. Mode is, in mode we have to what will be the mode? We have to see the most frequent occurring observation. That will represent the mode of data. Okay, so let's take example. See, these are the average temperature for January, February, March, April. So tell me which data is
27.
more frequently coming. More frequently coming data. 27 is coming 3 times. 25
ma'am.
is coming 2 times. Okay, since 27 is coming 3 times, so 27 will be the mode of these data. Okay, so mode will be 27. Mode of large number of observation. Okay, see, if there are large number of data. Now see, let's take this example. Score has been given and number of student has been given. Now tell me the mode of this.
Ma'am, 4 and 2 are repeating. 2 and 4, ma'am. 2 and 4. 2 and 4 are both repeating. Yeah, ma'am. Both repeating 2 times.
Where?
4 and 2.
See, 4 and 2. What will 4 and 2? 3, 4, 4 and 2. So what is the highest?
Ma'am, 4 and 2, ma'am, both are repeating in the same. Ma'am, 4 and 2, ma'am, both.
4 and 2 both.
Yeah, ma'am.
4 and 2 both.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, this is the number of students.
Number of students only, ma'am. See, ma'am. 4 is repeating number of students.
This is the number of students. This is the score. You have to find out the mode of their score, not the number of students.
Okay, ma'am.
This is the frequency. This is the frequency table.
Okay. Ma'am, so 18, ma'am. 18.
This is the frequency. See.
Ma'am, then 18 is more repeating more time.
More repeating score
18.
is 18 because this score is 8 students are getting the same score. Okay, 8 students, the highest highest number of students are getting 18 score. That's why the mode of score will be 18. So mode will be
18.
okay.
18.
Now see, yeah, following are the margin of victory in the football matches of a league. Find the mode of this data. Find out. Type your answer in chat box. Find the mode of this data. So frequently, yeah, most occurring margin are
1.
One
Ma'am.
is occurring how many times? 1, 2,
Ma'am, 2, ma'am, 2.
3,
Sorry, 2, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 2.
4, 5.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Let me do check. 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 is occurring 9 times. 2 is occurring
Ma'am, 10 times, ma'am, 2.
2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 times.
Yes, ma'am, 14.
2 is occurring 14 times. That's why the mode of this margin will be 2. Okay. Okay. Now see, if it is difficult or if it is confusing for you, you can prepare the table for these data. Okay. You can prepare the table, write the margin of victory and write the number of player, and then you can find out the 14 is maximum. So for 14, the margin of victory is 2. Okay. So the mode will be 2.
14.
Mode will be 14, not 14. 2 is occurring more frequently. 2 is occurring 14 times. This is the frequency of occurring.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So, okay, corresponding margin is 2. So mode will be 2. Mode is not a frequency. Mode is a score, marks, margin. Mode is the observation. Okay. This is the number of observation. This is the observation data. Mode is the observation, not the number of observation. Right? Who said 14?
Ma'am, by mistakenly said ma'am Shivapranav, but I got
Okay,
two
okay.
only.
Okay, so be careful. Okay.
Hello.
Now we will see the median. What do you mean by a median?
Ma'am,
Yeah,
ma'am, can I Shivapranav?
yeah, tell me, Shiva.
Ma'am, first we should do in ascending order, and we should, ma'am, we after ascending order we should cancel from first one to last one.
Okay.
And if
Yeah,
we go
ma'am.
on, ma'am, example we get even number means we should means
See, first
it
arrange
is that
all your
when
data. Listen, okay, listen me. If you are getting confused, if you are having any confusion, let me to clear that. First, arrange all the data in ascending order. Okay, arrange all in ascending. Okay, now if the number of data are odd, number of observation is odd, then apply this formula n plus 1 by 2, because when it will be odd, it cannot be divided by 2. Okay, so add 1 and then divide by 2. Okay, see, like if number of observation are 7, since 7 is odd, then median will be 7 plus 1 divided by 2, fourth observation. Median will be fourth observation. Okay, and when the observation is even, then use this formula. There is a plus over here. When if I take an example in which the observation is 8, okay, if I am having 8 observation, means n equal to 8, then median would be observation corresponding to 8 by 2 plus 8 by 2 plus 1, 5. So half of 4 plus 5, 4.5. Average, the mean will be average of, the median will be average of n by 2 observation and n by 2 plus 1 observation. Let's take
Yes,
example.
ma'am.
You
Ma'am,
can,
or like in simple, you can, if there is this number not, then you can cut it like from both the sides and look at which numbers are the
yes,
middle.
yes. See,
If there are two numbers in the
these
middle,
are,
you can add them both by 2.
yeah, you can take average. You take the average and then that will be the median. Okay, you start cutting from both the side. 1 1, cut in pair. This, and left is 6 1. So median will be 6. Okay, similarly, if number of observation are odd or even, okay, will not go for odd or even. Cut, start to cut from both the side. Cut this pair, cut the second last pair, cut this third last pair. Now you are leaving two numbers are left. Okay, now if two numbers are left, take the mean of that number and that would be the median of observation. Okay, it is clear now. I think
yes,
this one is the more easier way, right? Now let's take example. Okay, the score of mathematics test of 15 student is as follows. Find the mode and median of this data and compare, are they same or not. Okay, do this. Do this question and type your answer in chat box. Mode. Mode is frequently occurring data. So which number is occurring frequently, or which number is having highest frequency? If there are large number of data, then you for reducing the mistake,
Ma'am, it will be the first.
you can arrange them in a tabular form. Okay, so the lowest number is 5.
Ma'am, 9.
5. See, lowest number is 5.
Ma'am, I
See
thought
that?
9.
9. After that 10. 5, 9, 10. Then 12.
12, ma'am.
Then 12. After 12,
15,
15. Then
16,
16.
Ma'am, I got the mode.
16.
19,
Yeah, type it. 19. Then
20,
20. 19,
20.
20.
Ma'am,
After that
ma'am, again 20. There are 3 20s, ma'am.
20.
No, no, 4.
20,
Again, ma'am.
20, 20, 24 times. Okay.
Hmm.
Then
Add 20 to another.
23.
Ma'am, 23,
Then
24,
4.
and 225.
25 2 times. Okay.
Yes.
So the mode, which number is occurring more frequently?
And
Ma'am, 5.
20.
20 is occurring 4 times. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
the mode will be 20. Okay. Now the median. Median. Start to cut from both the sides. This will be cut. This will be cut. Cut the third last, fourth last, fifth, sixth, seventh. You will left with 20.
20, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, both are
Ma'am,
20 only, ma'am.
both of them
Yes.
are same.
Yes. So
Yes,
median
ma'am, the
is
data is same.
20. Both are same. Okay.
Ma'am,
It is
what
not
is your-
compulsory that every time they would be same. Okay. This is the special case where we are getting mode and median, same mode and median. Okay. Don't remember this thing that if mode is like 20 or any x number, the median will be same. It will not be same every time. This is a special case where we are getting both same. Okay. Okay, it is done. Gohit, done. Okay. Now we will see. Okay. Now tell me this statement is true or not.
Tell the
First
statement.
statement. The mode is always one of the number in a data.
Yeah,
True.
ma'am, true.
Yes,
True,
ma'am,
ma'am.
it's true.
Ma'am, true.
Mode is always one of the numbers in a data. It
No,
is
ma'am,
true.
it doesn't
Ma'am,
need to
false,
be
ma'am,
1.
false, false.
False or true?
It can be more than 1, ma'am.
Ma'am, false, ma'am,
Yes.
false.
Yes. False. Okay. The mean is one of the number in a data.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, false.
It is true. Mean is one of the number in a data.
Yes.
True or false? Tell
Ma'am,
me.
think false.
False. It is false. Correct.
Yeah, ma'am, false.
The median is always one of the number in a data.
Ma'am, false, ma'am. Sometimes it can be two.
False.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. One only, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. One.
No, median can be 2.
Median is always
Ma'am,
one.
after we'll get one only, ma'am. Lastly.
Median is always the one of the number in a data.
Ma'am, you can get 2 and then you can
Yeah.
find the
Ma'am,
average,
can
right?
do-
Yes, yes, yes. If
Ma'am,
the
it's true
number of
only.
observation are, if the number of observation are even, then you will get the 2 value of median. Then you have to
Yes,
take the
ma'am.
average of that. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So median is always one of the number in the data. It is false.
Huh?
It is true. Sorry.
Yeah.
True, ma'am. That's what I think.
Okay.
Ma'am, but when it's even number, you'll get 2, right?
Yeah, ma'am. After we'll get one.
What?
But when you get an even number, you'll get 2 numbers left, right?
But
Two
after hurry,
numbers,
after
but
we'll get one
we
only
will
now.
get two numbers. We will get two number. But after doing average, finally we will get in final answer. We will get one number only.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. It is true. Now this can be checked by calculation. Okay. Do it after, sir. Okay. Now we will see the different type of graphs. Okay. So the data can also be represented in a graph. Okay, in a graph form. Okay. So we will consider bar graph. Okay, how these data can be represented in a bar graph. Okay, so bar graph will look like this. Bar graph will look like this graph. Okay, in x-axis there will be two axes, x-axis and y-axis. X-axis you can take the number of students, type of music, type of games. Okay, and the observation will be considered, or observation will be taken on y-axis.
Ma'am will get scale as 1, ma'am.
Scale as 1, yes. So scale
Yeah,
is
ma'am.
important. Here see, this 1 unit shows scale. Okay, so you have to mention that 1 unit equal
1
to
unit equals to 1
1
student.
students.
1 student.
Okay, 1 student. Always mention the unit, the scale of y-axis. Okay, and this shows the bar graph. In Excel sheet, you can directly get the bar graph. Okay, so you can see
Ma'am, we have
here. What?
double bar graph also we have, ma'am.
Yeah, double bar graph is also used for comparing two observation.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
now see.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
once could you go to like the true and false question once?
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, like means
Yes, this second is true.
means like,
The
yes,
second one
yes,
is true.
okay.
Yeah.
Mean is
Okay,
one of the number.
Yeah, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, it is true. Now see. Yeah, do this question. Can you plot the bar graph? So how this Bharti madam told you to plot the graph? Will you get the graph paper for
Ma'am,
it?
now only have, ma'am. Now only
Yeah, we have graph paper.
Okay, okay. So use that graph paper, or roughly you can draw it in any notebook. Yeah, draw it. On y-axis, take the number of students. On x-axis, take the favorite color and draw the bar graph. Okay, and
Ma'am,
then
how many we should take the scale?
scale. See, scale you have to decide. Actually, see the lowest number. Lowest number is 19, and highest is 55.
55.
Since the range is very low, so you can take like if you will start from 0,
How
5,
much
10.
is
If you will start from 5, 10, 15 like this, na, then uh, your scale is smaller, the scale, the graph will be perfect.
perfect?
So take the small scale always. Okay, take the smaller scale. You can take 5 unit, 1 unit as 5, or 1 unit as 10 also. 1 unit equal to 5 students, or you can also take 1 unit as 10 students. Both will be correct. Okay. Yeah, plot it. Plot it. Everybody has to plot, and then tell me the answer, which is the most preferred color and which is the least preferred. So if for double graph, but the bar graph, will you color that graph?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have to plot double bar graph, then how will you do that? Will you color that graph?
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Plot this graph first and tell me which is the most preferred color and which is the least preferred. Actually, without plotting the graph also you can tell, but since it is given in the question that you have to plot the graph, if it is coming in the objective type question, then there is no, I think, no need to plot the graph. You can directly tell.
Ma'am, to plot the double bar graph, we mostly usually color it.
Yes, you have to color that. That's why I was asking.
Yes, ma'am, for differentiation.
Yes.
Ma'am, single bar graph is for one set of information where double graph is comparing 2 or 3
For
information.
comparing 2 or 3, yeah.
Double
For
or triple
there may be
bar graphs
triple
are for
bar
comparing
graph,
2 or 3. Triple
quadruple.
bar graph, quadruple bar
Yes.
graphs.
Yes, yes.
Those are for comparing different types of information.
Yes, we will see that.
By the number of observation, those many bars in a set.
Yes, correct. So are you have you done this?
No, ma'am, we are doing.
Okay, okay. Okay, I am also plotting. Red, green, blue.
Ma'am, since we are not comparing anything in this question, double bar graph will be useless, right?
Yeah, here no need to. You are not supposed to plot double bar graph. Here only one information has been given, only number of
Yes, ma'am.
student. Okay.
Ma'am, I have a quiz ready, ma'am. Can we play it first? And like still we have only 3 minutes, so that's why.
Okay, okay. So you have done it?
Done.
Okay.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am, last.
Okay, okay. So your graph, this is not up to the scale, but this is the approximate graph. Okay.
Ma'am, completed.
Okay. This is the approximate graph. Actually, here the width is different. The width of all bars should be same. Okay. Now what is given? Which is the most preferred color and which is the least preferred? Which is the most preferred? The most preferred color will be that color in which the height of bar
Blue,
is
ma'am.
in which the height of bar is maximum.
Ma'am, blue, ma'am.
Yes. This is the highest. This is the highest bar. Okay. This is the tallest bar. So for this bar, the favorite color is blue. So blue is the most preferred color. Am I correct?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So blue is the most preferred color. And which is the least preferred? The shortest bar will show the least preferred color. So the shortest bar is for the green one. So green one is the least preferred color. Least preferred is green one. And the tallest is blue. So highest preferred is most preferred is blue. Okay. Now how many color are there in all? How many colors are there? Red, green, blue, yellow, orange. 5 colors are there.
5, ma'am.
And what are they? They are red, green, blue, yellow, orange. Okay. Okay. Done. It is very simple question.
Yeah.
Okay. Now double bar graph. We'll take one example of double bar graph. See here, The wild animals, there are few wild animals, okay, in the city Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Okay, so Karnataka have listed out the number of wild animals as lions are 20, tigers are 16, elephant are 30. These are the number in Karnataka city, and these are the number of wild animal in Tamil Nadu city. Okay, so for these type of data, we have to plot the double bar graph. Okay, in these type of graph, the x-axis wild animal name will be same for Karnataka as well as Tamil Nadu. In y-axis, the number of wild animal will be listed out. Now take double bar graph of different color, in which the blue one show the Karnataka data and red one will show the Tamil Nadu data. Okay, after plotting this bar graph, you can compare the data easily. Okay, is it okay for all?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so now if I
What,
say
ma'am? What, ma'am?
how to plot the double bar graph. Double bar graph you don't know?
Ma'am, we
Hey,
know.
you know na? Okay, I am giving you question. Okay, use this, read this question and plot the double bar graph for this data. Take the scale as, what would be the scale? If it is 10, 15, 12, 29, 5. Yeah, you, yeah, correct. You can take a scale as 1 unit equal to 5. Okay, our time is already.
Ma'am, can we play quiz?
Yeah, we will play. First, do this question. This is the last one. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we will start the probability. Okay, and I will give you worksheet. You solve that as a homework. Okay. So how will you plot the bar graph? Double bar graph for this data. Take x-axis and y-axis. X-axis will show the student's name. Okay, there are 5 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is Ashish, Arun, Kavish, Maya. I am plotting the rough one. Okay, you take the exact scale, and I am taking this scale as 5. 1 unit equal to 5 student. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, so for Ashish for quarterly students, for quarterly exam, Ashish scored 10 marks. Ashish scored 10 marks. For half yearly, Ashish scored 15 marks. Okay, so this would be the double bar graph for quarterly. This would be for quarterly, and this would be for half yearly. Okay, similarly for Arun it is 15. For half yearly, Arun scored 18. Okay, they would be of different color. Okay, color them with a different color. Color the quarterly marks with the like blue, and color the half yearly marks with red. Okay, so that while giving the answer of the questions, you can differentiate it easily. Kavish 12. Kavish 12. Half yearly it is 16. Okay, this is Actually, I cannot color it. Huh? I can color it. This is for half yearly. Yeah, this is for half yearly. This is for half yearly.
Ma'am, actually time out, right, ma'am?
Yeah, you do this. Will you do this as a homework?
Bye. Yes,
I'm getting
yes,
this.
ma'am, we'll do it.
I'm getting this graph. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
1 unit equal to 5 marks.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. If no, okay. If I ask you one question, who is scoring the highest mark?
Ma'am, who is scoring means? Ma'am means
Who scored the highest mark?
Maya. Maya, ma'am.
Maya. Because here the bar
Yes,
correspond to
ma'am.
Maya is tallest. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Maya is the
Maya
tallest.
scored the highest mark. Okay. So you do this question, you practice these kind of questions. Let's play one quiz.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, can I share the link?
Okay. Who want to share? Shiva.
Ma'am, Shiva Pranav.
Yeah. Share it.
Yes, ma'am.
Harini, you tomorrow you can send. Okay. Tomorrow you will send. Let's Shiva to send today. Shiva, send quickly.
Done, ma'am.
Dana, I have not got any link.
Ma'am, your voice is very low.
Okay. Hello. I did not get any link.
Ma'am, your voice is very low.
Wait. Hello now. Hello.
It's very low.
Hello.
Me.
Hello. Now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It is okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Wait. Hello. Now.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Send me the link. Or
Which
else
link?
quiz link. We are conducting a quiz.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We will play a quiz. So okay. I got the quiz link. I am sharing this with all of you. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll make a team and we'll play it. Okay.
Yes,
So,
ma'am, we'll do this. Yes, ma'am.
so what is this link? I'm not getting the.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. Not Teams, ma'am. I don't.
Yes, this is not the correct one.
Yeah, ma'am.
It's not Teams.
Can you give to anyone, ma'am? I can't share the link.
Okay. I'm.
Want Teams, ma'am.
Okay, let's. Me to do. I am sharing.
We want Teams, ma'am.
Ma'am, mistakenly send it someone's, ma'am.
You want to.
Yeah, ma'am. Teams.
Ma'am,
Teams.
can I send it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Send.
Ma'am, this week.
Send it quickly.
And who?
I did not
Ma'am,
get.
Ritviki share, ma'am. This week.
Yeah. Who is sending me? Send it quickly. Ritvik?
Sending ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay, okay.
Ritvik, are you able to do, because I have one ready. If you can't send, I can send.
Yeah,
I have
I-
one ready and I
I
sent it.
got
ma'am.
the link from Ritvik. Wait.
Okay. ma'am. And you also play ma'am this time.
Okay. Wait. Send to everyone. Everyone
ma'am,
got
got.
the link? Okay.
Yeah ma'am, we got.
Okay. Should we start now?
1 minute ma'am, let all join.
Yeah, ma'am, you can start.
Okay.
Ma'am, this link isn't working for me, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's working ma'am, for me
It's
it's coming
working.
up.
Yeah.
Ma'am, it's working.
It is working. It is for only 2 members.
No ma'am, all members are there but they are not coming.
Go
Yeah
ahead.
ma'am, something
Go ahead.
like
Try to join it.
Yes, ma'am, I'm joining, ma'am. I just copied the link so that it works.
Which is a ma'am, I got British bunions.
Okay.
British it seems.
Okay.
Not bunions, it is bunnies.
I
Looking
can't
at-
see your name.
Ma'am is telling bunions.
I am morning owls.
Ma'am, many teams.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm also morning.
Ma'am, bunions. British. Ma'am, more members should join.
Join
Once
it
all
fast.
will come, I'll shuffle teams, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Once all will come, then I will shuffle the teams.
Okay.
Wait, who all have to
Only 3
join?
people have joined.
Oh, ma'am, 6 members.
Ma'am, that is like only in like your team.
Eight
ma'am.
team,
Okay.
ma'am,
Okay.
your team.
Okay.
Ma'am, one member should join.
Everyone, please join it.
One member should join, ma'am.
Still 1 member is needed.
Ma'am, but you don't play, ma'am, because when you play, we will get low, ma'am. Like,
Okay.
ma'am,
Okay.
nothing happened, ma'am.
No. I will not play. I will.
Okay, ma'am.
I am here to declare the result. Okay. You all play.
Go out of the quiz, ma'am. Anyone will come, so it will be equal and we can play.
How to go out from the quiz?
Ma'am, shall I leave you?
Yeah.
Stop.
You allow. You are allowed. You make me out.
Still someone should join. Ma'am, anyone is not coming, ma'am. Still one should come, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, only one should
Chaitanya
come.
M. Chaitanya M. Chaitanya M.
Chaitanya M, please join it.
Chaitanya M, please join.
Okay, instead of Chaitanya, can I join?
Okay, ma'am, you can play. Yes, ma'am, 100% you join, ma'am. Not joining.
Okay.
Ma'am, join with another name, ma'am. Means like your name and your initial also, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
join with
join
like
with
another.
your own name.
Okay,
And
wait.
join with another account. Otherwise, you will be. Yeah, ma'am. Means your
Now,
initial you join.
okay. I will join with the Chaitanya name.
Chaitanya name.
Okay.
Hey, why are you laughing?
Chaitanya,
I'm not laughing.
start.
Ritik, start.
You shuffle the teams, right?
Yeah, fine.
Shuffle the team fast.
Yeah, ma'am, I shuffled. Okay, ma'am, I'm starting it. Start.